Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, this is urgent. We are in dire need of your help. I am currently in Masjid Al-Sabereen, and next to the Masjid is going to be the new Dawah Center. Now one might ask, why is the Dawah Center so important? Let me tell you why. We are currently located in central Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania to be in fact. We are in a very strategic position to expand the Dawah along the East Coast. If we're able to establish a strong foothold here, we'll be able to expand the Dawah from who knows where. We have a very strong presence here, alhamdulillah, and we have already have many converts who took in the Shahada here, but we need your support. We need to raise as much money as we can. Please donate generously, don't let us down, and please don't let this opportunity pass. Now on to Brother Sammy.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Imagine on the day of judgment when you open your book of deeds and you see consistent night prayers, consistent daily prayers, consistent Quran recitations, consistent dhikr, and many other ibadat and good deeds that you never ever did. All of this because you were the reason of guiding someone to Islam. The Prophet ﷺ said, I swear by Allah, if Allah guides one person through you, it is better for you than a whole lot of red camels. And red camels in this hadith, they represent the best of worldly materials one can own. Things such as Ferraris, Rolex watches, and all of these luxurious things that we have in this life. Surely the best action anyone can take is calling people to the path of Allah Azza wa Jal. It's the job of the prophets, and this is our opportunity. This is an opportunity for all of us to spend on this path. And Allah Azza wa Jal says, whatever you spend in this path, فَهُوَ يَخْلُفُهُ, Allah will replace it for you with that which is much better in this world and in the hereafter. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Brother Khalifa!
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. As you can see, we are here Masjid Al-Sabereen Dawah Center. As you can see, this is the Dawah Center. As you can see here, we are about to finish this Dawah Center for the sake of Allah. We have a lot of new converts, new Muslims who are coming in each day in, day out in the United States here. As you can see, the Dawah Center is a new one. We need your donation. We need your support to finish this Dawah Center. We need a lot of materials. Without the support of you, without you, we may not be able to achieve this aim and goal. You may not be able to go out to do dawah or to go to the street and share books and Quran to the Muslims. You may not be able to do that, but you may be able to use your money for those who are going there to do that. You may be able to use your money to support the Dawah Center. As you can see, we have a lot of Quran, a lot of books, a lot of materials, a lot of t-shirts, hoodies to give it to the non-Muslims who are incumbent. Without you supporting, we may not be able to achieve this. We need to finish this. By you supporting Masjid Al-Sabereen to finish this Dawah Center, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you from here and the hereafter. You can use your cash app or check, or you can use you can go to the website of the masjid and donate and support this Dawah Center. This is the month of Ramadan, the month of blessing, the month you need to support the Dawah Center. Allah Prophet Muhammad says, convey the message of me to anyone, to the non-Muslims. Just a little bit. You may not be able to go out to do this. Who can do that? The other people who may be able to do it. But you support with your money, you also supporting dawah. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت سبع سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة والله يضاعف لمن يشاء والله واسع عليم. ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.